Okay, going live on Binance now. We're looking at some coins you want to check out, so you can purchase during this dip. So apparently, this is not a financial advice, and you still need to do your own research. But from findings so far, there are some coins you want to look into if you have enough funds to go with it. So currently, I have a BNB at $372.2. So BNB was about $600 some weeks back, or let's say by at December, early December. So we want to look at BNB. Then BTC was about 60 something $1,000. So I think this is not a bad buy too. So the coins we'll be talking about, they are not in any order of importance or so, but we'll just be talking about them. So we have BNB. You want to look into BNB. You also want to look into BTC if you do not have any amount of BTC or you want to back some more. Although there are chances that some of these coins might still lose more value. But El Salvador just backed some BTC on this dip, shows you that the price here is sufficient for you to also get some portion of it if you wish. Then we have ETH. ETH was around $4,000, but it's now at $2,500 or $2,400 here. So you want to consider getting some if you do not have any of these. Then also we'll be looking at FTM. FTM is one popular one, as well as Solana. So now Solana was about $170 some weeks back. So you want to consider it too. We have FTM. FTM was about 2.3 or so. Then they also have Matic. Then Dot was selling for $30, but it's now at $17. So most of these coins, they share them almost 50% of their value. So we're going to look at top gainers. If there are anything here, there's nothing here on the top gainer section. These ones here, you have to do your own research for them. Not really that popular. So I have top losers here. Okay. Then we'll be talking about some metaverse coins, which I strongly advise that you want to make your research on. Metaverse coins, especially for Sand and Mana. Those two are coins that you want to make your research on and try as much as possible to get some. So I'm going to check. Let's see on the search button. Let's go. So the thing about these coins is that once you get them now, you could go leave them for long. You could hold them for long, and you sure will be making profit. So we have AVAX here. AVAX is something you want to consider, but depending on your price portfolio, if you could get let's say 1,000 pieces of Mana is currently at 1.99. 1,000 pieces will be about $2,000. Okay, I think that's if the price Mana was originally at $4. So if you get about $4 to $5, you get about that amount. As you should be expecting anything less than $5,000 from your investment on that. Then we also have Sandbox. I'm going to check the price of Sandbox. So you can see the price movement. Mana is currently at one of its lowest. Currently at one of its lowest. So you want to check the price movement so far. So you can see it fell from these figures here. Okay. So let's check on the Sandbox. So these are just coins that did well in the last ATH last bull run. So these are the tokens you want to check. So we have Sandbox at $2.9, and one Sandbox was selling for about $8 during the last bull run. That's about some weeks back. Let's say late November or early December. So you want to check that out. So basically, we've talked about up to 5 to 10 coins. You need to put Sandbox, Mana. There's FTM, there's Solana, there's AVAX, there's BNB, BTC, ETH. So these are some major coins you want to consider. Then there's Argo too. Agorand was selling for about $2, but it's now at $1. So if you can get on 100 pieces or 1,000 pieces of this, if you get 100 pieces times, you should be expecting just times two of what's your investment, times two of your investment in the nearest future. But hopefully we're still gonna expect some pump from Argo. So those are some of the packs you want to know. But we sure expecting 3x from whichever investment you do on Mana and Sandbox. Why for BTC? For BTC, if BTC gets up to gets a new ATH, so we're going to be expecting that. But BNB should be 2x investment minimum. Then Solana is currently 2x investment minimum also, as well as some of these. So guys, I'll be dropping a link to Binance. I'll drop in a link in the description box. If you don't know how to get this coin, you can easily let us know. But it's usually a very simple step. All you need to do once you're logged in, you can click on the particular token you want to make purchase of. Then there's the buy and sell button here. We're currently on the proof of action, so all you need to do is just to click buy. Once you click on buy, make sure your account is funded already. Currently it says here we have available 100 BUSD. You can decide to buy a limit order or market price. Market price gives you the exact price that the market is selling, so there's no need for you to wait for your order. It initiates your transactions immediately. All you need to do is just put the amount of BUSD that you want to utilize in buying this token. So if you have BUSD, USDT, you can also buy with it. If you want to convert your BTC to BNB, you can, or whichever amount. And for those people that are sell, they can also sell. It says that we do not have any BNB, so buying now should be one of the encourage factor. But whichever be the case, make sure to do your own research. It's your boy Keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We try and bring you guys more updates. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more uploads. Stay safe and much love, guys. Much love. Peace out.